Welcome to Amazing Animals. This channel was created to help educate you on many animals that live amongst us all over our beautiful planet. Today, you'll be learning about the amazing giraffes. Giraffes, towering giants of the animal kingdom, are some of the most distinctive creatures to walk the earth. Known for their remarkable height, unique spots, and elongated necks, giraffes capture the attention and curiosity of people around the world. Despite their popularity, the lives, behaviors, and environmental significance of giraffes remain relatively underexplored. This video provides an overview of giraffes, including their biological characteristics, habitats, diets, social structures, and their current conservation status, highlighting why protecting these majestic animals is vital. Giraffes are the world's tallest land animals, with adult males reaching heights of up to 5.5 meters and females over 4 meters. Their remarkable height is primarily due to their long necks, which can be almost 2 meters in length. With their big eyes, long eyelashes, and 2 tufty little horns, giraffe faces are pretty unusual looking. Both male and female giraffes have 2 ossicones. These look like horns but are actually cartilage covered with skin. Giraffes are also known for their unique coat patterns. Their fur is covered in large irregular patches separated by lighter cream-colored lines. These patterns vary between individuals and are believed to help with camouflage, as the patterns break up their outline against the wooded and grassy backgrounds of their habitats. Additionally, each subspecies of giraffe has a distinct pattern, which can help researchers identify them in the wild. Like human fingerprints, no 2 giraffes have the same coat pattern. Another distinctive feature is their legs. Being long and sturdy, they contribute significantly to their height, with each leg measuring about 2 meters. The front legs are slightly longer than the back legs, which gives their posture a slight forward-leaning appearance. Giraffes are also equipped with large hooves, about the size of a dinner plate, providing stability while walking or running. Giraffes are primarily found in the savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa. Their height gives them a distinct advantage, allowing them to reach the high leaves and branches that most herbivores cannot access. Their specialized diet mainly consists of the leaves of acacia trees, which contain nutrients essential to their survival. Giraffes are preyed upon by several carnivores that co-inhabit the dry savanna. Lions are the primary predators, generally using the strength of the whole pride to catch their victim. They are also preyed upon by leopards and hyenas. Giraffes kick their attackers with their large, heavy feet to defend themselves. Sadly, it is estimated that half of young giraffes in the wild do not make it past the age of 6 months due to predators. Despite their size, giraffes are surprisingly swift and agile. They can run at speeds up to 56 kilometers per hour over short distances. Giraffes only sleep 1 or 2 hours per day. More impressive is that they can actually take naps while standing up. Giraffes are social animals, typically forming loose herds that vary in size and composition. Herds are generally composed of females and their offspring, though they occasionally include males. Male giraffes are much more solitary, often roaming over large areas in search of a fertile female. Unlike many other mammals, giraffe herds are not rigidly structured and may change frequently, with individuals coming and going as they please. This social flexibility is advantageous in their habitat, as it allows them to roam in search of food and water without being tied to a specific group. Males establish a social hierarchy through a behavior known as necking, where 2 males stand side by side and swing their necks, using their heads like hammers to strike one another. Although this can seem aggressive, it rarely leads to serious injury. Instead, it allows males to establish dominance, which determines access to females for mating, as only the strongest males will usually reproduce. Giraffes communicate in various subtle ways, often through visual signals and body language. Vocalizations are rare but do occur, especially among calves and mothers. Adult giraffes can produce a low-frequency humming sound, typically heard at night, which may serve as a form of communication among dispersed herd members. They are also known to snort or hiss when threatened, and female giraffes bellow to their young. Giraffes most commonly eat from acacia trees but also browse for wild apricots, flowers, fruits, and buds, along with eating seeds and fresh grass. Their specialized digestive system is well suited to this diet. After initially swallowing their food, giraffes bring it back up from the stomach to chew as cud. This process of rumination breaks down plant matter further and maximizes nutrient absorption. They'll often eat more than 34 kilograms of leaves per day. The combination of their large body size, specialized diet, and efficient digestive system enables giraffes to survive in environments where other herbivores might struggle to find adequate food. Giraffes get 70% of their moisture from their food, so they don't drink much, but may if they come across clean water. Giraffes also have long purple tongues that can grow up to 45 centimeters. Giraffes breed year-round, and after finding a female to mate with, the male giraffe will resume his solitary ways, having nothing to do with caring for the offspring. Female giraffes usually give birth to a single calf after a gestation period of about 15 months. Calves are born standing, often falling about 2 meters to the ground during birth. Despite this seemingly harsh start to life, most calves quickly learn to stand and walk within a few hours. This rapid development is crucial, as newborn giraffes are vulnerable to predators. During the first few weeks of life, calves remain close to their mothers, who fiercely protect them from potential threats. Giraffe mothers will often form nursery groups with other females, where they collectively watch over the young. In the wild, these beautiful creatures live for around 25 years, but in captivity they live longer and have been known to reach 40 years old. In recent decades, giraffe populations have faced a steady decline due to habitat loss, poaching, and human encroachment, particularly land development for agriculture and settlement. The total number of giraffes in the wild is estimated to be around 117,000, compared to 100 years ago when it was estimated at about 1 million. Poaching is another significant threat, as giraffes are hunted for their meat, bones, and hides. Areas like national parks provide important habitat and anti-poaching protection to giraffe populations. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, giraffes are currently listed as vulnerable. Some subspecies, like the Kordofan and Nubian giraffes, are critically endangered, with only a few thousand individuals remaining in the wild. Efforts to protect giraffes are underway with organizations like the Giraffe Conservation Foundation and Wildlife Conservation Society, working to establish programs focusing on habitat preservation, anti-poaching measures, and education to raise awareness about giraffe conservation. Some countries have also implemented laws to regulate hunting to protect giraffe populations. The giraffe today is seen as a major tourist attraction and is one of many people's must-see species when they go on a safari or to a zoo. However, the future of giraffes is uncertain as they face mounting threats from human activity and habitat loss. Conservation efforts are essential to ensuring that giraffes continue to thrive in the wild, preserving not only these amazing animals but also the ecosystems that depend on them. By safeguarding giraffes, we contribute to the broader goal of protecting biodiversity and ensuring a healthier planet for future generations.